Let's look at the Keyword Planner module. To access, we want to open our canvas, find the campaign apps, click to open the slide out, find the module itself, drag and drop to the canvas. Hover over it, click View. The Keyword Planner module allows us to organize your paid or unpaid keywords in one single location so that you and your team can collaborate over them, as well as create links for the analytics and split testing tool. To start, we would want to title our Keyword Planner at the top left so you can reference it from the main canvas itself. On the top right, we would enter your Keyword Planner's purpose so that you can provide context for yourself and your team. An example of this could be blog posts or paid search. So we're going to name this Client A's Keywords. The purpose will be paid search. You would click on the new keyword or phrase button to add a keyword or phrase. Automatically, there is one populated, as you can see here in this example, where you can input your own keyword data as it appears in your own keyword research tool, so it can be referenced by you and all your team members inside of MarketPlan. So let's go ahead and add a keyword. We're going to use the keyword mango. I know nothing of mangoes, but that's what we're going with. Let's say the average monthly search is 100,000 to 1 million. Competition, we're going to go extremely high. Let's say the low bid, 20 cents. And let's say the high bid is 47 cents. Now, over here on the side, you're going to see two buttons. The live button will help you and your team track those of which keywords you're actively trying to rank for, or still planning or waiting to implement by toggling the live state for each keyword. So you can click on here and you'll see the color change. And of course, we can add multiple keywords in here. Now, the links button, this will hold all the links you create for this particular keyword. These links are used in the analytics and split testing tools. So to create a link, we would simply open this up, click on Add New Link, and we're going to give it a name. But here we're just going to say Mango. And we're going to give it destination URL. So we're just going to make something up. Best mangoes in the world.com. And of course, you can add all the other pertinent information and click create to create this URL. Now you'll see a new link has been created, populated by MarketPlan. You can simply come over here to copy, and what this would be used for is to place in your paid search or organic search listings for tracking in the live mode and split testing for MarketPlan. Simply click done. Now you're able to keep your team accountable by creating checklists for your team, for yourself, and you can also collaborate with comments. Add keywords. For comment, we're just going to say start Monday. And clicking the done button will get you back to the canvas. And that's it.